Hi, guys. So today we're going to practice making connections and reading again. Today you're going to read the poem titled Life Doesn't Frighten Me, and you're going to see what types of connections you can make as you're reading. So, as you're reading today, be thinking of things that you're hearing that remind you of similar or exact connections that you have. Possibly you're going to be able to make a connection surrounding an event. And hopefully, you're going to be able to think of one of those deep type connections related to thoughts and feelings. So, our goal is that you are documenting your connections here. And then as you come to the second side of your paper, you're able to show text evidence. So when this word text here means you need to cite text evidence, that means you are writing words from the text. It might be one line from the poem, it might be two. So you're going to cite your text evidence, and then you're going to explain how that connects to you. So the first one is going to be a shallow connection. That's the easy, obvious type connections that you're going to think of quickly. Then you're going to jump down and try to make an intermediate connection. And last, you're going to try to see if you can identify a deep connection to make within the poem, Life Doesn't Frighten Me.